Hi, Tom Gould. Hope you are doing great. Basically, in this video, I'm gonna telling you how your client receives the email, which is the number of query number of yes, this one. Is there an option to send automatically email those who have placed order? So I can tell you how is it work. Uh, Once I'm placing the order, going to the checkout page, and now fill up the all detail. Just add in the email. Just a moment, I can't edit the email and using the temporary email. So I can show you how is it work. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now email, this one email I'm using right now, and then enabling the cash on delivery mode. So I can place the order easily. Cash on payment. But okay, so here you can add your payment methods like Stripe, PayPal, and more. More than 73 payment merchant available in WooCommerce. You can easily add and remove. Okay, so now in this tutorial, this is the demo tutorial. So I can enabling the cash on delivery mode, and you can check how is it work. I'm just enabling this option, and basic setup is required. Just changing the word cash on delivery to cash on payment because this website is ebook service website. Okay. Now I'm enabling the methods flat any any and just save changes. Now going to the checkout page and refresh page, enabling the copy the email and add again, and you can see the option cash on payment. Okay, so now I'm placing the order. You can see your order client or customer order detail here. Your product total amount is, and payment method is cash on payment. Billing detail here. Also, order number is here. Once you order receive, you can check on the back end. This is the order, Commerce Goals. Okay. And user can receive the email after placing the order. You can check. I'm receiving the one email. The website name politetail.com, Tower Gold. Okay. So now I'm checking the email, and that is working. Okay. So thank you for your order. And this is the customer name and just basic description of the order just to let you know we receive your order 244 and it now being processed. Okay. And here is the total amount and billing address. Thank you for using your website name. Okay. Then you can change if you change the status on the order. So it will be showed the email on the customer email. If I'm selecting the payment method, pending payment, and choose the action email invoice order detail to customer, and now update and recheck the email again, and also and you can see here new email have been received, which is the payment pending. Okay, you can see here order has been created. You publish invoice below, and make payment when you ready. And here is the payment link. If user cannot be paid, so you can easily change the status. If I am changing the on hold and shooting again the email, so user can receive the email which is your order have been hold. You can see here, just click on the email and check the status. Here are details of your please order, pay upon cash, and I think this is not, might be. Number one, number two, number three, number four. This one, the status maybe. I'm checking again the status. Your place order. Okay. Now checking the again, selecting the cancel order status and send the email again. Now check the email. I think refresh the page. This is received email. Now all email have been worked. You can see here I'm checking the order received, and again order has been received, and this email is user can track the tracked by order.